Hello everyone, welcome back. We are going to talk about named arguments. In order to have named arguments, I'm having my message here. So hello, and in curly braces, I type down name, and then I type down you have, and in braces, I'm having message, new messages. After ending the code, I'm having dot format function. There I'm having two arguments as well, separated by a comma. So I type down name equals Charlie and messages equal 2. So this messages is exactly this argument here, and this name is exactly this name that is here. So if it's X, it could be X as well. So when I run this code, for example, it says, hello, Charlie, you have two new messages. So I type down hello, and then X variable is here, or let's say argument, and then message argument is here, and I'm initializing the X and messages arguments in the parentheses of my format function. This is how we can also print in the output using named arguments. Thank you for watching.